today on Chef Michael's Food Hacks, we are making some of that there shrimp gumbo. Okay, we're making that there gumbo today. Bubba's shrimp and black bean gumbo. Anyway, so what we're gonna do is I've got in here, I've got cumin, coriander, Creole spice. Now, there's about 13 or 14 different herbs and spices in Creole spice. I've got some of that mixed in with some red onion and some garlic. Now, the other day, we talked about blooming with the black beans. What I'm going to do, I got the spices in there, some olive oil. I don't know if y'all remember Justin Wilson. He used to say, I guarantee you're going to like this there gumbo. Okay, we're going to sweat that for a second. Okay, now we're making a little gumbo. What I wanted to talk to you about too is you don't have to make a big pot of soup. You can make a pot of soup for 2 or 3. This is just a 2-quart sauce pot, okay? So I'm making a little bit of soup for my son and I. And we're making that there gumbo right now. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some black beans because I'm going to use this as the thickener and is for the body of the soup, okay? What we're going to do is I'm going to add some vegetable stock to this. You can also use chicken stock. I'm going to go about probably halfway up. Probably about 3 cups of vegetable stock, okay? I'm going to simmer this for about 15 minutes so everything gets going. And then I'm going to show you what we're going to do to thicken the soup. Then we're going to add the shrimp, some carrots. Yummy, that there gumbo will be done. Okay, I let this cook for about 10 minutes. And I'm going to use what's called an immersion blender, but you can also pour this in a blender. And I'm going to put it right in the pot. You got to be careful though so you don't splash yourself. And what I'm doing is I'm using the beans to thicken the soup. And as you can see, look at that, it thickened it right up. See that? I'm going to add some carrots. Once again, this is not your traditional gumbo, but gumbo is anything that's a stew-like or a pork, or a heavy soup-like with either seafood or chicken in it. And I just put some shrimp in there, okay? Now I'm just going to stir that around. I'm going to heat this just another 2 minutes. Today we made some of that there shrimp gumbo. A little bit of New Orleans flair in there. It's got shrimp thickened with black beans. And now we got some grilled bread with a little oven-dried tomato puree on top. I'm Chef Michael McDermott. This has been Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Please stay tuned for the next Chef Michael's Food Hacks. And remember, when you eat well, you live well. Visit our partner on Facebook, Borderlands Market and Produce on Wheels Without Waste.